Struggling to keep up with sales in this crazy digital world? Do you ever wish you had a secret weapon to boost your efficiency and close more deals? What if I told you that you could build a powerful AI sales assistant in just 16 minutes? Yes, you heard that right, 16 minutes. Stick around, because I am about to show you exactly how this revolutionary AI tool can transform your entire sales process, making you faster, smarter, and more successful than ever before. You won't want to miss this. The world is changing fast. Digital transformation isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a reality. If your business isn't adapting, it's falling behind. This is especially true in sales. The old methods of cold calling and manual follow-ups are becoming less effective by the day. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI isn't about replacing salespeople, it's about empowering them. Think of it as having a super intelligent assistant that works 24/7, analyzing data, predicting customer behavior, and handling tedious tasks so you can focus on what you do best, building relationships and closing deals. We've seen businesses that have adopted AI sales tools increase their lead conversion rates by over 50%. They're not just working harder, they're working smarter. This isn't the future, this is now. Alright, let's get into the exciting part. Building your very own AI sales assistant. I promise this is easier than you think. First, you'll sign up on our platform. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a simple, clean dashboard. Your first step is to define your goal. Do you want to generate leads, qualify prospects, or handle customer inquiries? Just select your objective. Next, it's time to feed the AI some information. You can upload your product catalogs, facts, and even past customer conversations. The more data you provide, the smarter your AI becomes. Don't worry if you're starting from scratch. We have templates to guide you. For first-timers, I recommend starting with a simple goal, like answering frequently asked questions. This helps you get a feel for the system without getting overwhelmed. After you've uploaded your data, you'll customize your AI's personality. Do you want it to be formal and professional, or friendly and casual? You decide. Finally, hit the Create button. Our system will then work its magic. And in about 16 minutes, your personalized AI assistant will be ready to deploy on your website, social media, or messaging apps. It's truly that simple. So, what makes this tool stand out from the rest? Let's talk features. First and foremost, our user interface is designed for everyone, not just tech wizards. It's a drag-and-drop system that feels intuitive from the moment you log in. You don't need to write a single line of code. Another key feature is seamless integration. Your AI assistant can connect directly with your existing CRM, like Salesforce or HubSpot, your email marketing platforms, and even your e-commerce stores like Shopify. Imagine your AI identifying a hot lead on your website, automatically creating a profile in your CRM, and sending a personalized follow-up email, all in a matter of seconds. It also works across multiple channels, so whether a customer contacts you via website chat, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp, your AI provides a consistent and helpful experience every single time. Let's break down the tangible benefits for your business. The most immediate impact you'll see is on your customer base and sales figures. By providing instant, 24/7 support, you'll capture leads you would have otherwise missed. Our AI can handle thousands of conversations simultaneously, meaning no customer is ever left waiting. This leads to higher satisfaction and, ultimately, more sales. But it goes deeper than that. The tool provides real-time analytics. You'll get incredible insights into what your customers are asking, what their pain points are, and what products they're most interested in. This data is pure gold for refining your marketing and sales strategies. Then there's the cost savings. Think about the hours your team spends on repetitive tasks. By automating these, you free up your skilled employees to focus on high-value activities. Over the long term, this isn't just a tool. It's a strategic asset that scales with your business, ensuring you stay competitive for years to come. Don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some real-world success stories. We had a small e-commerce boutique that was struggling to manage customer queries after hours. After implementing our AI, their overnight sales increased by 30% in the first month because customers got instant answers about sizing and shipping. Then there's Sarah, a real estate agent who was drowning in unqualified leads. She trained her AI to ask initial screening questions. This cut down her manual follow-up time by 75%, allowing her to focus only on serious buyers. One of our early adopters, a software startup, said, and I quote, "This tool felt like we hired a full sales team overnight, but for a fraction of the cost. The insights we've gained are invaluable." These are just a few examples of how businesses are already winning with this technology. The results truly speak for themselves. Now, I know some of you are tech-savvy entrepreneurs who love a good DIY project, and you might be thinking, can I build something like this myself? The answer is yes, absolutely. If you're comfortable with coding, particularly in languages like Python, and have a good understanding of machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, you can definitely create a custom AI sales bot. ULL also need to be familiar with natural language processing libraries and have access to cloud computing platforms like AWS or Google Cloud to host and train your models. There are tons of open source resources and tutorials online to get you started. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding path if you have the skills and the time to invest. It gives you ultimate control over every single feature. We're constantly working to make this tool even better, and I'm excited to give you a sneak peek at what's coming next. One of our biggest upcoming features is advanced predictive analytics. Your AI won't just react to customers. It will proactively identify visitors who are most likely to buy and engage them with targeted offers. We're also working on voice capabilities, so your AI can interact with customers over the phone, providing a whole new level of service. Another huge update will be multilingual support, allowing you to deploy your AI in dozens of languages with just one click, opening up global markets for your business. Our goal is to stay at the cutting edge of AI technology, continuously rolling out features that provide real, measurable value and keep you ahead of the competition. The innovation never stops. So, let's quickly recap. We've talked about how this powerful AI tool can be created in just 16 minutes, how it can dramatically increase your sales and efficiency, and how it provides invaluable data to grow your business. We've seen real-world success stories and even explored how you could build one yourself. This isn't just about technology. It's about giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Are you ready to take your sales to the next level? I invite you to try the tool for yourself. There's a link in the description below where you can get started for free. Go ahead, build your own AI assistant and see the difference it makes. We'd love to hear your feedback and see the amazing things you create with it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. See you in the next one.